Welcome to this module of our SQL training course, From Stranded to Strategist. This course is designed to take you from a complete beginner to an advanced SQL user. This course will equip you with the necessary skills. Let's dive into the world of SQL and begin our journey. This module will cover basic operators used in SQL filtering, such as equals, less than, greater than, like, in, and between. Sorting results using the order by clause. Handling null values and missing data in queries. A practice task to filter and clean messy data. In SQL, a query is a request to retrieve or manipulate data. Filtering allows you to narrow down query results by specifying conditions that rows must meet to be included in the output. This is how it works. Filtering is applied using the where clause, which can include comparison operators, logical operators, and pattern matching. Check the example query for filtering orders with amount greater than 100. Then check the result. Let's see how filtering works. It is performed in the where clause of the query. You can use basic comparison operators, logical operators, pattern matching with like, and range filtering with in or between. Here are some advanced filtering techniques. First, using multiple conditions with and or. You can combine multiple conditions using logical operators. And. Both conditions must be true. Or, at least one condition must be true. Here's an example for filtering by multiple conditions. Second technique is pattern matching. With like, the like operator searches for patterns in string columns. Use wildcards for flexible matching. Check the example for searching for products, starting with lap. Third is filtering by range with between. The between operator retrieves rows within a specified range, including the boundaries. Here's an example to filter orders by date range. Technique number 4, filtering by multiple values with in. The in operator simplifies filtering by multiple values. Check the example for filtering by customer IDs. Fifth, handling null values. SQL treats null as unknown. Use is null or is not null to filter for null values. Check this example to find customers without phone numbers. Here's why queries and filtering important. Filtering ensures that queries return only relevant data. This reduces clutter, allowing for easier analysis, improves performance by limiting the number of rows processed, supports data quality checks, for example, identifying missing or invalid values. For example, a sales manager may want to view only orders exceeding a specific value or products with low stock levels. Filtering is essential in data analysis, reporting, and business intelligence. Use cases include extracting monthly sales data, identifying inactive customers, filtering out incomplete or messy data. Let's look at a few real-world examples. Scenario 1. Customer segmentation. A marketing team needs to identify high-spending customers. SQL can filter for orders with large amounts and calculate spending per customer. Scenario 2. Product inventory management. An inventory manager needs to find low-stock products. Here are some key takeaways from this module. SQL filtering uses the where clause with comparison and logical operators. Advanced filters include like, in, and between. Handling null values requires is null and is not null. Proper filtering ensures queries are efficient, targeted, and accurate. Filtering is crucial for data cleaning, segmentation, and analysis. Let's reinforce what we've learned with a hands-on exercise. Task instructions. Retrieve orders with an amount greater than 150. Exclude rows where customer ID or order date is null. Sort the results by amount in descending order. Here is the solution. Check the expected results. That brings us to the end of this module. You've successfully taken your first steps into SQL. Remember, mastering SQL is a journey, and every step you take will bring you closer to becoming proficient. Stay curious, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next module as we continue our SQL adventure. You've got this.